Guys, so welcome to the channel and welcome to another new vlog. I'm super excited to show you guys this showroom that I'm visiting today. Welcome to Chelsea Honda or Chelsea Yamaha. These guys here, they are specialized in sales, servicing, MOT, repairs, and also bike parts for Honda and Yamaha. So I'm in the Yamaha. Actually see is a Yamaha XMax. XMax, that's brand new color as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Quite a lot of new features. Tricity XSR 125. Lovely color, honestly. Beautiful. R125. They also do electric bike if that's something you're looking for. NUI. It's nice, it's cheap, good thing to run around with. Here's the price as well that you can see. Cost 3,750. NUI QI GT S Pro. And then on this side, what you actually have is an electric bike. That's Zero.
So here we have a Zero SR, fully electric, 110 horsepower. It does about 100 to 200 miles an hour once it's got full battery.
So what sort of charging hour is it to charge this thing?
If you've got like a supercharger,
yeah,
it should take about, I would say, 4 hours fully charged.
That's sick.
It does about 161 miles, not too bad for a bike. 14.4 kilowatts, so enough power.
Like a proper premium thing of bike,
it's equivalent to 1,000cc, which is obviously
whoa, that's
big
mad.
bike.
Very nice. This is actually one of my favorite. Oh wow. And that's a Zero FXS 2021 and the price 12,000 quid. This one is a Zero SRF. Price is 21 grand nearly.
This is basically the naked version of that. That's the sport version. That's the upright version.
Proper beautiful.
This is what the young chaps will like, the R125. So this is more to target younger people to have a sportier bike, but because it's a 125, so they can ride it on a CVT.
Oh,
you can just put L plates on it.
Cool.
Yeah.
And this as well, just a different color.
Just different color, yeah.
Yeah. And I quite like this color actually, and I really prefer this color. Yeah, absolutely. And so that's the new XMax.
That's the TechMax version as well.
Yeah.
Like the highest spec of it. This is a 300, which you would have to have an A2 license for.
That's the same thing with CBR as well. You need the A2 license. Yeah. So this is John, by the way.
Huh? Don't know us,
This is the guy you should give him a shout for Honda, and that's the guy you
No.
shout for
I'm the guy for Yamaha or Honda.
So this is a 2022 Honda CBR 650 powering 649cc, and that makes about 93 horsepower at 12,000 RPM. Absolute beaut this is. So this is also a great place to service your bike. So they have quite a few options for you, and there's some of the prices. This is Jamie, but yeah, this is... I'm actually inside the workshop, and how can I not show this? So that's a Harley, it's owned by one of the mechanics here. Absolute minter. Just look at it. Beautiful. Proper Harley guy, you know. Look at it. Harley thing. Harley. So what is this Harley guy?
Harley 48.
48.
Sports and 48.
My American viewers, you should probably know about it more. And this NUI. So guys, the sound's outside, and you know what, let's get a bit of fresh air and also show you this PCX, because inside they don't have any. That's because it's one of the hot cakes of scooters out there. And tell me a bit about it.
This is the 2018 model. The 2020 model has just got a facelift.
Yeah.
So it's got a light that goes from here to here. It's not got these LED lights. One of the most reliablest bikes obviously, like you said, they are going so quick. We're literally sold out. The next batch that will probably come in will be in a couple of months' time. They're all on back order. Services and everything like that is very cheap to maintain. So for a full tank, it's £10. Very cheap to run. It will do about 150 miles.
And is that in this recent figure, though, with the fuel price up to 180 a litre?
Exactly, yeah. So full tank at the moment is like £10.
Wow.
Which is
so what was
less than
before?
I would say maybe £7, which is nothing.
Mad.
Literally. And it
That's
does
mad.
about 150 miles.
And
It's got
what wheel is it running on?
it's on Michelin City grips.
Yeah.
So they come like that standard, which is really good.
Very good.
One of the best tires you can actually get on the market
Yeah.
for scooters.
Absolutely.
It's
And they're
got a-
good on wet condition as well, right?
Exactly, yeah.
What's the mileage on it now? Let's have a
It's
look.
literally got 935 miles.
Brand new, really, man.
Brand new, yeah,
That's
yeah.
mad.
First service is already done. Next service will be at 3,000 miles.
Awesome. Yeah.
It's got drum brakes in the rear, which is plenty of braking power for a PCX.
And then
And then
pads
it's got
on-
disc brakes in the
disc and
front.
pads. And they're very easy to do on this one.
Very easy, yeah. As you can see here, we've got a ABS in the front as well, which is really good. When it comes to rainy situations and you gotta do an emergency brake, front wheel wouldn't lock up thanks to the ABS system that's on here.
Let's show a bit of the startup for this bike then, PCX.
So it's really nice and quiet. So one thing to mention as well that the NMAX don't have is the idling stop. So when you're at a traffic light, you just turn it on and that green light will come up. Obviously, once the bike is hot enough and you wait at a traffic light, for example, the bike will just switch off to save more fuel, which is really good. And then once you give it some gas, the bike will automatically turn back on. Here we have a 2022 roofie. It's in a black and orange theme, as you can see. One of our best selling helmets actually.
Yeah, Jato, while you got me here, so tell me a bit about the clothing department.
So here we have the clothing. As you can see, we sell pretty much everything you need. If we ain't got it here, then we can order it in for you. We've got the winter jackets here and some winter, obviously, trousers. This is my personal favourite jacket because I've got one and it's amazing. Fully waterproof and wind resistant as well. It will literally do the job for you. We've got leather suits if you want to go on track maybe.
And then you got the gloves there.
We've got gloves. These are fully carbon as well,
Whoa, damn.
as you can see.
I wish there was John into that, otherwise he could have actually given me a bit of explanation on this, right? Because
Yeah.
he's so good
He's
at
the
it.
expert.
Any helmet inquiry, again, that's the person you should ask for. John is super, honestly, helpful guy. Guys, so yeah, that's all I have to show you. It was just a good walk around at Honda Chelsea and Yamaha Chelsea. Any bike related questions you got, you want to buy it or you want to service it or you need parts, clothing, this is the place to come. Once again, I just want to give thanks to the guys here who have let me record myself here and show it to you guys. If you have liked this video, as always, give it a little thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, all that thing. I'll see you for next time. Goodbye. I miss working here. Absolutely do. Look at this.
Gorgeous, I don't know about it.
This is sick. This is Oro, by the way. The new workshop man is proper excited to work here. So this is what I'm making my guy do. Record his own bike.